How to turn on Bitmojis in notification on Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Snapchat. Then when your Snapchat is opening, you go up and open your profile. Then go to settings here and click, and then you will search and look for option notification. You click. Then the second option, Bitmoji, if it is like that, you will just turn on by clicking here like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.